Okay, back to the wilds, Alabama. Just got back from Pennsylvania. Did my smooth on seminar for 2 days. Very cool. Or highly recommend it. Um, they kind of tell you how to. There's day one, day two. Uh, Liquid plastics, silicone, urethane. Give you samples. Here's a thumb. My thumb. Use that seaweed mold making stuff. Uh, uh, I can't even say the word. Anyway, uh, there's a skull. It's the first resin pour ever made. Very cool ass piece. We put some copper or some kind of metal flakes in there and then shoe polished it. There's the resin. Anyway, I like it. It's pretty cool. Even though it's not perfect, I didn't have my seam lined up right. I did that on my own because I was rushing. Woman next to me called me Fast and Furious when I was making the molds. There's a silicone mold. There's your day one brush on. Tells you that's what we did. And then the next day we did the support shell. That's what that is, a support shell. Made of plastic paste. It's pretty good stuff. And then there's your Rebound 25 silicone rubber. And you'll see the excess copper looking metal stuff. Anyway, good stuff. And I bought this. That's the plastic paste backing. And this is the one I really want to try out. They got a lot of sideshows and demonstrate all the stuff they got. And this is really good looking stuff. Thanks for looking, guys.